Welcome back to your color fun, the place where the magic of art comes to life. Today, we embark on an exciting creative journey into the universe of PickyPiggy, the endearing character from Poppy Playtime. Before diving into the drawing tutorial, let me immerse you in the fascinating story surrounding this charming little piggy. In a world full of color and fun, Playtime Company's smiling critters reign supreme, and at the heart of this magical realm, we find PickyPiggy. With her pink skin and a perpetual smile, this anthropomorphic pig becomes the ambassador for a balanced diet. But, do you know her secret? Despite advocating for health, she has a weakness for cheeseburgers and PB&J sandwiches. A detail that adds intriguing layers to her character. As we glide our sharp Sharpie over the paper, let's explore the rich personality of PickyPiggy. She's not just an advocate for good nutrition, she also reveals an unsettling and manic side in situations like Catnap's arrival during Dog Day's sleepover. Who could forget that tense moment in the game? As the strokes take shape in our drawing tutorial, let's remember that PickyPiggy, as part of the Smiling Critters lineup, plays a crucial role in Poppy Playtime. Especially when Catnap uses the poppy gas, creating an atmosphere of madness and mania. This narrative intertwines with the creation of our art, adding depth to each brushstroke. Let's delve deeper into PickyPiggy's story. Revealed as the sixth smiling critter on Twitter, her citrus aroma adds a unique layer to her personality. This detail, traditionally used to uplift mood, intriguingly connects with her cheerful character. As we progress in the drawing, let's recall that climactic moment in the game. PickyPiggy showing signs of madness while inhaling the sleep-inducing agent, laughing hysterically with others until she faints. A memorable moment that we capture in our art. Upon completing our drawing, let's reflect on PickyPiggy's journey. From her revelation on Twitter to the most intense moments in Poppy Playtime. Each stroke tells a story, and our art captures the unique essence of this character. Before we immerse ourselves in the conclusion, let me remind you of the importance of your support. This content is made possible by you, our incredible community. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, like, and leave your comments. We want to keep growing and sharing more fascinating art. Let's conclude this creative journey, but don't close the curtain just yet. As we admire our drawing of PickyPiggy, I'm excited to announce that this is just the beginning. In the next video, we'll explore another fascinating character. So, don't miss the next installment. I strongly urge you to subscribe, activate the bell for notifications, like if you enjoyed this video, and, most importantly, leave your comments. We want to know which characters you'd like to see in future tutorials and continue growing together. Until next time, artists and followers of your color fun. Remember, your support is the force that drives our creativity.